La ladera, looking good. Israel, working hard. That trailer looks nice. The tree in the corner looks pretty big. Let's look on the other side of the road. Looks like we got some trees that we need to replant, like this one right there, down right there, up here too. Well, it's a couple. I was here yesterday. I was able to count 150 avocado trees here. I didn't count the ones that we need to replant. Probably like about, let's say 15. So 150, 165 trees we have here per se. Plus we still plan to put a little bit more closer to the river. Hopefully I could fit at least 200 trees in this zone. In this zone, I still haven't counted them. I had yet to do so. But let's go down there. Now we're in the bottom. So we got some trees here, and we plan to keep them so the cold could stop and not destroy these trees. As you can see, it's a little uphill. It was a little down, so when it gets cold, the clouds will settle here around this zone. This zone, that's where you see more of these burned trees around here, because this is the zone that gets really cold. So you see these burned trees, these are the ones we need to replace. It just didn't grow. This right here. So this tree, it basically died. It's dead. The graft died. The Haas graft died, and this is what's coming out. It's the criollo. So we're leaving it so the criollo could grow, and when the criollo goes bigger, we'll graft some Haas avocado back in it. So there's no need to have this basically, but the stick, but we're still letting that grow. There's some trees that they look a little dwarf. For example, this tree right here. No, that's a, let me see if I can find one that I could show a better example. Let's see, this one right here. So these little dwarf trees, you know, it gets really cold. As you can see here in the roots, there's no roots expanding. You want to see roots starting here coming out. When they're small like this, the roots in the bottom are still growing, but we want roots to start coming out through here. Those are the roots that feed the tree a little more, taking more nutrients. So we're letting it be. We keep fertilizing. We replace the plants that need to be replaced. And we're just taking it from there. As you can see, we got some trees that are hitting, that are growing. And we're just gonna keep moving and moving. We're close to the edge where the other river comes around. And this zone is known to be a little more cold. And here's where the limes are at. And limes also like the shade. That's why we stop and cut these trees. We want to wait for the limes to get bigger. Once the limes get bigger, we'll cut these trees. But you can see this tree right here that's under the tree. This tree's doing great. Has tons of limes. It's happy because limes like the shade. So that's where we're leaving these trees here. This is the neighbor's house. There's a little trail. They walk by and then get the road. It's the neighbor's house, but that's why we're leaving these trees in the meantime. Once these trees get big, we'll cut these trees. But look at this lime. It looks great. It's the Mexican key lime. And here we got, of course, more limes. And we brought them very small twigs. You know, when they bring them, they don't treat them that good. You know, they just bring them from Nayarit, so it's kind of far. This right here got hurt from the hail. It hailed a couple months ago. But we got these trees, but they don't treat them good when they bring them. You know, they just put them in the back of the truck, little twigs, and then we do what we can to allow them to grow. You know, some are looking good, like in the trunk. Look at this. See, that's what we want to see. It's starting to get these bigger roots. The trunk is getting thicker. And it's gonna keep on growing and have this shoots, this nice shoots going up. And it's great. And we realized, look, this one looks good. Right here, we could fit 2 more lines of limes. So we're gonna do that. We just wanna take advantage of all this land. So the river goes around here and it goes that way. That's the neighbor's house over there. But right here, we're gonna fit 2 more lines of limes. And if we clean, we could probably even put more in the bottom. So we just wanna take advantage of it. Look at those shoots coming out on the bottom. And those nice green shoots, that's what we like to see. Nice. So the limes here, got all this lime. And then we got the avocados over there. And then we just keep working. Look at this lime right here. This one looks good. I'm gonna take this one right here. Look at that. I'm gonna keep this one. See, this avocado is doing good too, and it's under the tree. The tree protects it from the hail, from the cold. So this one's doing good. Looks a little, the color, but you see these shoots? Those shoots are nice. That's what I like to see. Let me know if you have any questions. Put them in the comments. Let me know. Hope you enjoy the content. This Dalmatian dog. Let me see if I could spot it. But he roams around the land. Look at him. Hello. And over there we got more avocados. Here's what one river comes here and the other river comes over here, and they meet there. It's doing good. That wood, that's the wood that we got when it got really cold and we started burning wood. Just to try to heat up the land in this zone. But you know, we just need to have patience, and these trees will keep on growing. And keep fertilizing them, keep watering them. We got the hose. There's no need to water right now. It's cloudy, it's been raining these days. There was a hurricane that hit Nayarit, category 1, not that bad, but it's been bringing a lot of rain. It's over there, Israel doing his thing. All right, saludos everyone.